Shabadoo. Shabadoo, I have news. Shabadoo. It's day 700. Are you excited? Yeah. Dude, 700 videos. That's a lot. Are you happy that you've been in some of them? No? Okay. Didn't even realize it's day 700. Hi. Woo! Nothing really exciting is happening today. I'm going to work. That's really it. Cheryl's staying home. You're recouping?
Yeah, I'm recouping.
Yeah. Hula girl is hulaing. Very slight hulaing because there's not a lot of sun right now. She's trying though. Yay.
How the Flash got his powers too.
Hello? Oh, okay.
So what do you think?
I don't know. I mean, it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. There's
Dorcas.
a whole inner theory.
Admittedly, that is really nice. So, I just want to show you the construction work that they're doing at the street corner. So, here's all the stuff. And then there's a huge crane right there. And you can barely get through now because they're picking up the sidewalk. It's kind of crazy, and they have to take out flammable stuff, anything that's hazardous. So they've blocked off a good chunk of the street here. Just makes my commute that much more not fun. Holy crap, they're all the way to the entrance. Oh. Maybe you can cut through. Maybe, yes I can. Oh, okay, see you now. Doing laundry. Finally. Doing laundry. And of course, as per usual. Oh, there you go. As per usual, since there's laundry happening, that basically means that Shabadoo is way the heck down here somewhere. I don't know where. Possibly hiding in this area. Let's see if we can find him. You okay? Is a scary noise? You don't like it? No, right? It's okay. It's almost done. A couple more minutes. Then you can come upstairs. Alright. I'm home. And Cheryl's home.
Hi.
She's doing exciting things.
Folding clothes.
So, I've got clothes for tomorrow. Right there. Clothes for tomorrow. And I'm going to go into the backpack, which is there.
There.
And those are, I guess, Cheryl's clothes.
Clean clothes that are being put away.
Oh, they're being put away. They're not going into the backpack?
No.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't say that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm just wearing the same jeans both days.
Nice.
Yeah.
What color jeans?
Blue.
Ah.
I'm not wearing my work ones.
Okay. Like I still wear my black ones then, so not to match.
Well, you could wear jeans.
No.
It's not weird.
Well, I want to be the matching people.
Well, it's not like we have the same jeans and they're the same color. Mine are worn out. Mine are worn out. They're not a nice blue anymore.
Alright. Fine. At work today, I should have taught one of my students on his own, but he was part of a performance on, they're actually doing two performances. One is on Friday, and apparently one is on Sunday as well, but I'm just not sure where on Sunday. I was like, they mentioned it really fast. I'm like, oh, okay. I don't know, it might be on their Facebook or something like that. Anyways, it's called House Band, and the House Band basically goes around kind of promoting the school in smaller venues. So tomorrow they're actually going to play at Conestoga Mall from 4 till, I think it's around like 4 till 5, something like that. They actually have 12 songs they're going to play from beginning to end. And I'm just like, again, holy crap, they're playing these songs, and they're much younger than I was when I started, so wow. It was really cool. It's always fun to watch them play and to see how quickly they catch on with some of the songs. Like, I know for a fact that one of the kids had no idea how to play like 4 or 5 of the songs that were being played, and all he did was he looked over at his friends and was like, okay, it's this one and then this one and then, okay, cool, and he got the whole thing. And I'm like, okay, wow. I don't know, but I've seen like a good amount of crazies so far, and not to say that they're like any worse than Toronto crazies, but the Kitchener crazies hold their own, and they're definitely on the buses. Alright, so we're starting to watch this again. We're just going to catch up on it right now. The current season is ending, and it's like the final bits. And we started to watch the first couple episodes of this, like the 7th season, and they really dragged. So we kind of stopped watching them. We shouldn't have. But I watched this 3rd episode on my own and was like, oh, okay, it got better. We just didn't persevere. That's alright. Cheryl's trying on dresses and stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's the dress that you wore before, right?
Yeah.
Nice. And I figured that we have so much to do and we have so much packing that we need to get done that we should probably cut everything short now. So, yay! It was day 700. Yay!
Yay, 700 days. I did nothing all day. That's why I didn't vlog. So, oops.
Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Finally at work. Cheryl is asking about that. And so today I'm actually taking drums for the first time ever. And we did something on some notes that I feel like. So, oh wow, it's like cool. I'm going to do a little bit early. The last time I last year, the bus has been late, and then I have to really even early. I'm going to be like at the time while waiting there for like an extra half hour, but it's worth it. Anyway, it's a nice day, and